Hello children, my today's topic is use of adverb. Adverb is that when we say something about verb, just like children speak loudly. So children speak loudly. Speak is verb, and how do the children speak? Children speak loudly. My next example for you, that children write neatly. How do the children write? Children write neatly. That means write is verb, and when I am saying about a verb, that is write neatly. How? The question starts with how. That means we get our adverb. How do children write? Children write neatly. Now here I am going to explain you some example related to adverb of frequency. It is related to time. Here you can see I have written always, all the time, usually. Always means 100% we do. Usually less than 100%, that is 80% we do. Often, that means less than usually we do, that is 70% we can say. Just we can assume like that. We can think like that. Then sometimes means 50% we do. Rarely, very rarely 20% we do. Never, nil we won't do. And here some examples I have given you regarding always. That is example. That means what you do always? Always go to school. You always go to school. Here I have written I always wake up early. I always brush my teeth. I always take bath in the morning. Helen Keller's clothes were always dirty. All this taken from Helen Keller. Some examples I have added for you. All these things we always do. We always get up early. We always brush our teeth. We always take bath. Okay, we always study in morning as well as in the evening. So the thing which we always do, that means 100% we are doing. Okay, then I think it is very much clear to you that when shall we use always. Now our next comes usually. Next comes usually. I have explained you. See, I have explained how. Already I explained about always. Now it is very easy. Usually, I usually wake up early in the morning, but not on Sundays. That means 80% you are doing, not 100% you are doing. I usually wake up early in the morning. We all usually wake up early in the morning, but on Sundays we become late. I usually do my homework every day, but not on Sundays. Sometimes we skip our homework to do on Sundays. We take rest on Sundays. In this way, often. I often visit market. That means you usually won't go. You usually won't go. That means weekly once you go to the market. Weekly once you visit your friend's house. Weekly once you, what you do weekly once? Weekly once you go, and where you go weekly once? Weekly once you go to visit your friend's house. Weekly once you visit your market, you visit marketplace. So I often visit market. That means you usually won't go, but you go often. In the same way, you often go to your friend's house. Then comes sometimes. For sometimes, that means 50% you do. I sometimes watch English movie. I sometimes watch Hindi movie. Sometimes Helen kicked her feet. Sometimes Helen kicked her feet. So sometimes means 50% we do. That means in 1 month, you watch English movie. In 1 month you watch Hindi movie. Sometimes you watch TV serial. And rarely what you do? I rarely go for short trip. That means 20% chances are there. I rarely visit the Science City of Kolkata. You can't go daily. You can't go often. You can't go sometimes. But rarely we visit. Then we never take cold drink. I never take cold drink. I never use bad words. Helen's parents never scolded her. So all these are the adverb of frequency. If you want to learn, you just go through the book in your English Helen Keller. All these words are there. So you use it and do it.